community, Mr. Hofarth and Mrs. Graham back again with another riveting installment of our Principal's Corner. We hope you had a great weekend and are ready for another week of fantastic learning opportunities.
Hey, we have a success assembly on Wednesday, October 28th at 8:45, and we couldn't be more excited. Can you see the excitement on my face? Miss Kana's class should be receiving their prize in the mail from last month's character trait assembly. We hope that your class wins the next major award so we can get that sent to you in the mail. Can't wait to see you all on Wednesday.
So much excitement on your face. Hey students, a few updates to our mileage club. Please be sure when you're uploading your mileage totals every week that you're being accurate and honest with your totals. Remember, honesty is the key to success, so unlock it. Keep running, Howcocks.
Hey, holidays are approaching. If your family is in need of anything, please reach out to your classroom teachers, myself, or Miss Talbot, if you guys need something.
Hey, Mrs. Graham, do you like to eat lunch with friends?
Why, as a matter of fact, I do, but I'm finding it so difficult to eat lunch with my friends during remote learning.
Well, then you're in luck because, as you know, we may be hosting a cafeteria lunch every day at 11:30. Kindergarten is on Monday, first grade on Tuesday, second grade on Wednesday, third grade on Thursday, and fourth and fifth grade on Friday. We hope to see you all at our virtual cafeteria next week.
That's right. I totally love eating lunch with all my friends in the virtual cafeteria. I also have truly enjoyed visiting all of your classrooms recently. Every classroom had some amazing learning and conversations going on. Students, I am so proud of how much you are learning. Teachers, I am so proud of the opportunities you are providing for our students. Keep up the great work, everyone.
This is another full week of school. And can you believe that it's the last full week of October?
No.
Me either. Time is flying fast. We must be learning a lot and having a lot of fun. Well, we hope you have so much fun learning this week, Howcocks.
Have a great week, guys.
We, the Howe School community, encourage, inspire, and empower all students to become lifelong learners and responsible citizens.
Happy birthday to the following students this week. Thank you to everyone who submitted a book character pumpkin for our annual contest. Your creativity never ceases to amaze me. In just a moment, you'll be able to see a quick video featuring all the book character pumpkins entered this year. You can take a longer look at each entry and vote for your favorites by going to the announcement site or by clicking on the link that was emailed out with these announcements. You can only submit one entry per Google account, so make sure to log in using your 6-digit student ID number at vansd.org. Adults, you can vote too, but voting does close this Friday at noon. The winning student from each grade level will be awarded a $20 gift certificate to our online Scholastic Book Fair, which starts next week and goes until November 14th. The winners will be announced next Monday, November 2nd, during the announcements. Good luck! Now, here's a quick peek at those amazing pumpkins.
Hey everybody, I'm Mr. PJ, and I'll be reading the jokes this week. Our first few jokes are from Lily from Miss Stutzman's class. Here goes. What is an owl's favorite book? Alice in Wonderland. How did the pig get to the hospital? In a ambulance. Why'd the chicken cross the ocean? To get to the other tide. And here's a video joke from Johnny from Miss Cornfine's class.
Why didn't the kid go to the pirate movie? Because it was rated R.
F to the R to the I-E-N-D, that spells friend, spells friend. F to the R to the I-E-N-D, that spells friend, spells friend. Someone to smile, someone to talk with, someone to hug or take a walk with, friend. F to the R to the I-E-N-D, that spells friend, spells friend. F to the R to the I-E-N-D, that spells friend, spells friend, spells friend.
Have a great week, Hawks. Now, please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.